Oh, fuck. Here we are again. This might be the most important video you watch all year long. You know why? Because there's a lot of shit going on right now. And you know what that shit is called? Noise. There's a lot of fucking noise. Trump is so bad, he's gonna crash the economy to recession. Crypto's going down. There's just so much noise, and I wanna break down to you why we are gonna be good and why the market's gonna perform very well over the next 4 years and why everybody on your fucking timeline on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever the fuck is bullshitting. So let's get into it. To start off, I do consider myself a little bit of an expert. I'm the biggest expert in crypto, and right now a lot of people are freaking the fuck out because their portfolios are red, everything's going down, but you guys are a bunch of fucking noobs. You have no idea what the fuck you're doing, and I'm gonna show you right now on the charts why we're fine, and that the prices you guys are complaining about are fucking laughable. You do realize that all the people that are crying, like, oh my god, a fucking stock and crypto market crash. We're sitting at $80,000 on fucking Bitcoin. Do you see this shit? We're sitting at $2 on XRP, and you guys are fucking complaining. Make that make sense to me. These are phenomenal prices. And honestly, I'm surprised crypto's held up so well. But the reason why we've been dumping and why the market took a shit recently is because of the tariff talk with Donald Trump. It's very common sense. If you look at this shit, you understand his plan. He's trying to get a better deal for the US. And honestly, I do believe that some of the theories going on right now that Donald Trump is trying to crash the market in some sort, I think that might be true. Get lower interest rates, refinance the US debt. There's a lot of theories going on, and I think they might be valid, but I think the long-term plan for the next 4 years is going to be very good. You guys got to understand that we were handed absolute fucking dumpster fire from Joe Biden. Like, do you guys realize how bad the last 4 years were? Inflation through the roof, World War III on the fucking brink every single month, and now we're trying to kind of reverse course on that and get everything back to normal pre-2020. And it doesn't come over fucking night. Like, you guys crying and bitching about everything makes no sense to me. Like, it's like all these people online that have like $100 in crypto are like, oh my god, it's fucking crashing. Sell your shit. It's the next recession. You're broke. You have no fucking money. Right? Like, that's most people online. So when you kind of look at it that way, you can kind of understand, oh, well, what the fuck Joe Schmo's talking about on Twitter really doesn't mean shit. Fear spreads like crazy. So look, if you're sitting there and you're wondering if you should be buying crypto, selling crypto, look at this shit. Okay, this is the first time that we've been sitting at $2 an XRP for more than a couple weeks without fucking crashing, bro. Do you see this shit? This is on the week time frame. You can see how long we've been sitting up here since November of 2024. And then you could compare this shit to everything else. In 2018 and 2021, all the times that we've went up, we've immediately came fucking back down to 50 cents. We haven't even touched that shit recently. Like, we've been sitting above $2. It's looking great. We entered a play this morning right here, actually, on this bottom wick at $1.90, I think, in the automation program on TradeShip University. Shameless plug. And it went up 30 cents to $2.20 already. That was fucking easy ass money. I'm telling you, if you just sit back and think about how the crypto market's looking right now, you'll understand everything's fine. We're sitting at $80,000 on Bitcoin. It's fucking Ethereum sitting like 2K. XRP is sitting at $2. I'm not worried, right? And I get fired up about this shit because people genuinely just are so quick to jump the gun. Trump's so bad for crypto. Everything's going to crash. It literally is the worst thing about social media with this stuff is that everybody has an opinion when most people shouldn't have a opinion voiced like this because it just adds more fear to the market. So listen, I'm not worried. I genuinely do think that the next 4 years are going to be great. I can't stress that enough. And with all this stuff that's been coming out, the strategic and crypto reserve that they've been doing with XRP, ADA, Solana, Bitcoin, and their tax policies coming out, and with the SEC chairman getting revoked, Gary Gensler, and a new one stepping in, and David Sachs, there's just so much shit, dude. I have never been more bullish, and I want to know what you think in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you're not already, be on TradeShip University, the Instagram, been going absolutely crazy, and I told you guys I was going to start pumping more long-form videos out, and if you like this format, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I have not really done this in a very long time. Leave a like, comment, let me know what you think, and stop being a pussy online. This shit's going to be okay.